Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 14 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again to find more security and privacy. And here let's localize the option which is called installation sources. So basically here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome, so from my browser. All we have to do is to find it in the list and tap on the switcher next to it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it. You have to know that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Simply tap on allowed to confirm, and as you can see right now the switcher is active, which means that the Chrome is allowed to install some content, and obviously works the same with all other apps. And moreover, you can also remove previously granted permissions. It's quite easy. Simply tap on the switcher next to the app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.